Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe below, give us a like, and to share. Thank you. So, are you already feeling sleepy now? Or you feel hilariously funny and start laughing, or you can't stop smiling? These are one of the best collections of all the cute animals yawning. They, they look so adorable, and we couldn't help but it is a must to share with all our video fans here. Here, these are the animals we thought they were so adorable until they yawned. Yawning is one of the most natural yet mysterious processes in the body. But as you know, not just people can yawn, animals can as well. How cute and adorable. It is so lovely they become before they yawn. Cute bunnies, and this is the capybara, and they show a mouth full of teeth. And monkeys, they yawn and fell asleep peacefully on a car roof. Animals yawn in a completely frank manner, and they don't even bother feeling ashamed or the need to cover up their mouth. So here we are. We've compiled here some of the most beautiful pictures, very frank and direct, of yawning animals. And we bet by now you'll be feeling a desire to yawn after looking at just a few photos here. Look at this red panda. It is yawning so heartfully. And the red here, look at it. And this Siamese cat. It is just yawning without taking care of the expression or whether you'll be laughing at them, not like human beings. And this is like, stop talking. You are so boring that I want to yawn. And there's no bigger temptations in the world than you want to put a finger in the mouth of a yawning cat. And here we have his expression is like, I couldn't care less. That is the best attitude to save your nerves. And speak, I always yawn when I'm interested. Look at this expression. It is so cute, you just want to pinch it in the face. And this cute owl, funny sleeping, eyes closed. And this cat, it is just happy, joyful, and doesn't care for a world, yawning style. And can you just watch this without even yawning? Or are you already yawning? We reckon that you won't be able to resist the feeling of sleepiness watching this video of all the yawning cute animals. Think you can better urge to yawn? There's only a way to find out here. You watch till the end and see if you are still not yawning. They are so cute. Look at this sloth. It is just yawning and going to sleep in seconds. And this hedgehog or this rat. They are so cute, and they really yawn directly at you and for you to take a selfie and the best picture for them. And check out this dog. This pet dog is funny. And these animals, they are free. They do enjoy their life, and they don't care more than what they need to be. And frankly speaking, we learn a lot from them. This is how we should be. We need to care for ourselves and care for only ourselves and the people around us, and not too much of other people's than ourselves. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. and hope you like it. If you're sleepy, take a nap. Thank you. All the best.